YouTube, welcome to the Acura Audio Garage. This video is a cut up of another video that's a lot longer. So if you're looking for more information on a certain procedure that you saw in the video, check the link down in the comments or the description. It'll have the full video linked. So if you're thinking about upgrading the 3.5-inch surround speaker in your MDX, this speaker right here, it is a little bit tricky. I want to show you something that's going to be really important. This is the actual speaker. This is the connector. You don't have to fully remove this. You can cut it here and here and then take this Phillips screw off and mount your speaker in the car. But let's say you want to fully remove yours. You're going to need to know about a certain clip that Acura likes to use. I'm going to show it to you right now. Acura utilizes these one-time clips in your A pillars, B pillars, and C pillars. These are considered your C pillars, I believe. But so you see this indication right here and this indication up there. It means that this clip is being used, at least in this Acura. Other ones have other kinds of clips, but this one in this Acura is like this. And what ends up happening is when you want to get this clip out, it's almost impossible. You actually have to collapse it like so to get it out. When you collapse it, you can't reuse it because those little edges are trapped in the white plastic. So what ends up happening is there's no way to reuse this clip. You can be very thorough and undo the plastic one at a time and get this clip back to its original shape like this. It is possible. We do it from time to time, but if you don't want to bother with that and you want to save yourself the headache, this is the clip you're going to need, and I'll show you in the car exactly what you have to do. So if you're watching this video, you probably already broke this, or maybe you are just about to break it and I can save you from breaking it. So once you do hit it, I'll show you in the car, but once you do hit it and it collapses like this, you can get these back. It's just very, very annoying. Your first thing is going to be a little bit of heat, a heat gun, a lighter, whatever it is, just to soften the plastic so that it's more malleable. Try my best to do this for you guys on video. There we go. So I was able to keep bending this back. I'm going to hit it with a little heat again, just so that I can force it in some. And now I have my clip ready to go in the door. So this is what it looked like. This, after you press it down, here it is again. So this is what it looks like originally. So you are able to save these, but it is really annoying. All right, so to get this speaker off, we first have to deal with the cover or the grill. You're just gonna take a pry tool and kind of massage it in so you can get it in. There you go. And you're just gonna work around, and then you can just come grab it with your hands. So this is the grill, 2 clips, put on some light, 2 clips, and that's really it. Then you have these 2 Phillips screws we have to deal with. It's loose, don't want to lose it. Okay. Now for 90% of people, I recommend that you twist the speaker around, unscrew this top Phillips screw right here, and then take a flush cutter, cut right here, and then wire your new speaker in right here. If you don't want to damage the speaker or use this harness and you want to use the harness we offer, you're going to have to take a mallet or your hand and collapse the clip that I showed you earlier that's right here. To collapse that clip, I'm gonna see if I could show you in this hole. And it's hard to see, but it is back there. I'll show it to you in a second. So just gonna hit here. That collapsed the clip. Here's the clip. I'll take it out for you. You're gonna slide it out this way. So that collapses this clip. I showed you earlier what happens when it collapses. Now I can get to the connector at the back here for my speaker. It's still very tight, but you can reach in and grab it. And it's just a little tab that you push down on, pull back. Here's the connector. It's very hard. Let me get some light. So here's a connector right here, and you're pressing down on the top tab and pulling back, and then frees this speaker to come all the way out. If you don't want to deal with this clip, then just cut the speaker wires like I told you before. To put it back, we have to fix this clip and then install our new speaker. I'm gonna plug it in real quick. If you're looking for this harness, we have it available. So you're just gonna snake it through. I'm gonna put it in there a little bit so it doesn't fall on me, and then I'm gonna hook it up to my harness that's back here. My speaker is plugged in. You can see my harness back there. I know it's dark. Here, let me get some more back there. So you can see my speaker is plugged in. It's just hanging here, but now I have to deal with my white clip. Here you either need to reset it, like I showed you earlier, or replace it. So I'm trying to get you the best angle that I can, but it's hard for me to show you. But once, there you go, that sits in, it's going to clip in like so, and now you know that you have it in the right way because it will not come out. So you'll hear a click, it's gonna click in place, but it won't break like it's done in the past when you first took it out. So now all I have to do is just mount my speaker and put my cover back on. So now I'm just mounting my speaker, last screw is in, my speaker's working, I have tested it, and now my cover just goes right back on like the factory.